Commanders of mobile repair teams must know how to respond to equipment casualties, perform the duties of an MRT commander, plan and prepare for the execution of a repair recovery mission, and perform the actions required while moving to and at the scene of the casualty. This video demonstrates the procedures MRT commanders employ to prepare and execute a repair recovery mission. In this scenario, 22 Alpha, an infantry section mounted in a LAV-3, has broken down while on a presence patrol and requires recovery. Their command post, 22, will receive a repair recovery request.
22, this is 22 Alpha. Repair and recovery request, over. 22, send over. 22 Alpha, repair recovery request. Para Alpha, repair required. Para Bravo, 22 Alpha. Para Charlie, LAV-3, CFR 30123. More to follow, over. 22, send over. 22 Alpha, repair recovery request continues. Para Delta, India. Para Echo, Delta. Para Foxtrot, 1354-5647. RV for guide at 1347-5647. Approach from the west. More to follow, over. 22, send over. 22 Alpha, repair recovery request continues. Para Golf, coolant hose leak. Para Hotel, safe. Para India, yes. Repair recovery request ends, over. 22 Roger, wait out.
22 will now relay this repair recovery request to 28, the maintenance platoon CP, who will issue it to an MRT. However, 28's MRTs are unavailable, and the request is forwarded to call sign 8 through call sign 2. 8 will then forward the repair recovery request to 88, who assigns it to 88 Charlie. The command post records the details and sends a runner who delivers a repair recovery request or warning order to the MRT commander. After conducting a quick map study and time estimate and preparing a warning order, the MRT commander issues the warning order to the crew and reports to the CP. At the same time, the MRT crew prep the vehicle for the mission. The MRT commander meets with the duty officer to be briefed on the tactical situation. The duty officer gives the MRT commander an official repair and recovery request, if that hasn't already been done. The MRT commander conducts battle procedure to formulate a plan for the recovery. On completion of detailed routes and timings to be used, the MRT commander briefs the duty officer on the plan and routes to the casualty. After receiving word from higher, 22 contacts 22 Alpha to update them with an ETA of the MRT.
22 Alpha, this is 22, ETA for Bluebell, 60 minutes, over. 22 Alpha, roger out.
In this scenario, 88 Charlie is the call sign tasked to do the recovery, and 88 Bravo will help provide security. The MRT commander issues orders to all crew members involved with the mission. Just before departure, the MRT commander notifies the CP that the repair team is leaving the hide.
88, this is 88 Charlie Muffler, over. 88, Muffler, out.
Muffler is the code word assigned during the 24-hour period for a unit leaving secure lines. The vehicles conduct a tactical road move to the RV while maintaining visual and radio contact. The road move should include ERVs at appropriate intervals and follow SOPs in accordance with ROE's weapon and equipment state. The MRT commander and crew must remain vigilant. The MRT stops 100 meters short of the casualty and adopts a tactical posture. At night, the MRT would stop 50 meters short of the casualty. When a guide is used, the MRT will approach the position of the guide, adopting a tactical posture. The MRT commander will then proceed on his tactical bound with the guide, prior to bringing his MRT forward. If the guide does not come forward to challenge the vehicles, the commander will dismount and move forward on foot to meet and challenge the guide. The MRT commander will be briefed on the tactical situation at the casualty location, including specifics of the breakdown, how they are to be guided into the area, and locations of known threats. The MRT commander positions the security vehicle to help provide protection for the MRT. In this scenario, the infantry section provides all-round defense of the site. After questioning the driver about the casualty, the MRT commander sends a sitrep to the CP of any incidents along route or at casualty.
8-8, this is 8-8 Charlie, sitrep, prepare to copy, over. 8-8, send over. 8-8 Charlie, sitrep, Para Alpha, small arms fire heard to the north. Para Bravo, crew on site and maintaining defensive posture, all okay. Para Charlie, nil. Para Delta, proceeding with task, over. 8-8, roger out.
With the repairs completed, the MRT commander ensures there are no further problems with the casualty. The MRT commander notifies the CP that the repair team is departing the casualty's location.
8-8, this is 8-8 Charlie, bingo, over. 8-8, bingo, out.
Bingo is the code word assigned during the 24-hour period for task complete. The MRT commander and crew conduct a tactical road move on return to the hide. Immediately after returning to the hide, the MRT commander reports to the CP and debriefs the duty officer. Meanwhile, the MRT crew readies their vehicles for future tasks.